Hi there, media mavens. My name is Lina and I'm CMO at EPOM. Ever wondered how your favorite brands always seem to be in the right place at the right time? Well, that's all thanks to media buying. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Also, give us thumbs up and drop a comment if you find the video useful. Media buying is the art of selecting the right channels and platforms to showcase your brand, and it's a game changer for advertising success. And wondering why it's so important? Picture this. Every single day, users swim in an ocean of ads with thousands of them fighting for their attention. So how do you ensure that your ad doesn't become another drop in the ocean? In this video, I'll walk you through the types and channels of media buying and share some success stories and useful tools. Sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about media buying. It will be a wild ride. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is media buying? Simply, it's the process of acquiring space for placing ads. This could be any channel from traditional TV or radio to print, out-of-home billboards, and surely digital. Media buying aims to reach the specific audience and deliver the right message. It's the media buyers who orchestrate this entire process. They analyze channels and audiences, they negotiate prices, and finally they buy ad space. Want an example of media buying in action? Like, imagine you're watching your favorite TV show and seeing a new Toyota ad during a break. That ad was placed through media buying. Now let's shift our focus to media buying types, namely direct and programmatic. Direct media buying is an old-fashioned manual approach. Here, media buyers contact publishers in person, they negotiate prices and discuss ad placements. In turn, programmatic media buying is an automated approach that leverages real-time bidding to purchase and place ads. Both types have their benefits. Direct media buying is cool when you want to negotiate a specific placement and have better control over where your ads show up. It's excellent for building lasting relationships with the publishers, but yet it can be time-consuming and very expensive. By contrast, programmatic media buying is faster, more cost-effective, and allows real-time campaign optimization. But yes, it does not give you as much control over ad placement. Direct media buying is commonly used for TV and print advertising, while programmatic is more suitable for digital ad campaigns. Yet, you can use an ad server to buy premium or extra digital placements directly. If you're wondering what type of media buying to choose, consider your budget, your target audience, and campaign goals. Direct media buying is ideal for premium campaigns and very useful with specific target audience, while programmatic shines when dealing with more general campaigns and broader audience. Now that we have navigated the types of media buying, let's reveal the media buying channels, which are traditional and digital ones. Traditional channels often come to play with direct media buying. TV, radio, and out-of-home, like those billboards with Nike athlete that you can see on your way to your office. However, digital mediums like connected TV or digital out-of-home, they are often served directly. The industry still needs to develop standards for automated buying of CTV and digital out-of-home inventory. And speaking about digital, the most common channels here are social media, programmatic, and display ads. Let's explore them one by one. Programmatic media buying channels automate the buying process with demand-side platforms, making real-time buying decisions. This makes this channel highly efficient for advertisers. Social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer powerful ad platforms to reach specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behavior. This is possible because of the enormous piles of data they collect daily from us. Lastly, display ads are typically banners placed on websites or inside apps. You can buy them both directly and programmatically, and they offer a broad reach and highest visibility possible. So, what channel to choose? Well, as usual, it depends on your campaign goals and target audience. We've talked about the essence of media buying, its types and channels, so now it's time to reveal tools that make media buying possible. What if we say that direct media buying might be automated and simplified? It sounds unrealistic as the media buyer contracts a publisher in person to negotiate ad server, but that's where ad servers come in. Modern ad servers can manage, serve, and optimize direct digital ad campaigns. They also track impressions, click, and conversions, ensuring fast and precise ad delivery. You can actually rotate ads, test different creatives, and target users based on their behavior. Ad server minimizes the human part, and despite the price being negotiated face-to-face, it helps to facilitate most of the job. For example, you can use ad server automation algorithms to evaluate audiences and consolidate analytics instead of the hassle of manual work. And the next tool in our list is demand-side platform. A DSP is a programmatic ad platform that allows advertisers and agencies to buy ad inventory across multiple channels and devices. What can you do there? First, you can set numerous targeting options. Second, you can run campaigns on multiple ad networks, exchanges, and publishers. Also, you can apply bidding optimization and run high-performance campaigns on autopilot. If you plan to bring your media buying in-house, white labeling can be a very good option. Instead of developing the tool on your own, you just tailor the platform to your brand and identity and present it like your very own product. White label platforms are more cost-effective than building a platform from scratch, and they are designed to scale and handle large volumes of data. They help streamline the media buying process, and also they actually provide a single platform for all your media buying activities. As a result, media buyers don't need to switch between platforms to find the best fitting traffic. Now that we have demystified media buying, its types, channels, and tools, let's outline a media buying strategy. We're not going to walk through this step by step because we'd be here for hours, but I will share some very valuable tips. Media buying strategy is actually based on 4 whales: goals, target audience, right media buying type and channel, and budget. Start by setting your goals. What do you want to achieve through media buying? Is it more clicks, conversions, or leads? When setting campaign goals, be very specific, measurable, and realistic. Identify your target audience. Analyze demographics, interests, and behavior. That will help to find the most suitable channel and ad formats. Choose the right channel for your campaign. For example, programmatic media buying might work better when targeting a broad audience. Also, consider your budget. Budgeting is essential for media buying, and you must set a budget for each channel and ad format. Always keep in mind your ROI and allocate your funds accordingly. You might be wondering, are there any real-world examples of successful media buying? Okay, let's look around. You have definitely seen a Nike ad in your life. Our favorite is this one. There is a 99% of a chance that Nike media buyer used an ad server to secure that placement. So it was a quick dip into the exciting world of media buying, but rest assured, a deep dive is on the horizon. If you have suggestions or questions, just drop me a line, and we're always thrilled to hear from you and help you out. If you feel like applying the knowledge from this video in real life, you can start exploring our programmatic media buying videos with EPOM White Label DSP. Here's a sneak peek at why it's a treasure for brands and agencies. So instead of hopping between numerous DSPs, you can just get one with your domain tailored to your brand identity. Once you're set up, you can instantly access more than 50 SSPs. And sky is the limit here. You can add some custom SSPs of your choice to your DSP. You can also auto-optimize your ad campaigns, ensuring you don't waste your bucks on underperforming traffic sources. If you're ready to take a leap, unlock your free trial of White Label DSP, please go to the description and register there. Also, I'll be super happy to help you on your way to your successful media buying. Have a great day and bye!